Hello guys, today we are going to see the project demonstration of energy regenerative system using this Bevel gear mechanism. So we used in one end with 3000 rpm DC gear motor with a power supply of 12 volt 1.3 amps battery, and we will start running that motor. The motor will connected with the shaft and spiral gear mechanism. Using this mechanism, we are converting the mechanical ratio into 3 times. For example, 3000 rpm will be converted into 9000 rpm, and the 9000 rpm will be taken to the generator. So using the 9000 rpm, we are going to generate the power supply in the double of giving input. For example, we give 12 volt 1.3 amps of current as an input, and we are getting the 12 volt to 2 amps of current. So let us see the live demonstration. Here you can see the arrangements of motors and the bevel gears. So here the motor 1 and motor 2. For example, I am giving the battery power supply to the motor 1 using the shaft mechanism. The bevel gear mechanism will convert the lower RPM to the higher RPM. So by converting the higher RPM, we are going to generate power supply. Here you can see like up to 2.63 amps of current will be generated. The input will be given like 12 volt 1.3 amps. So this is a free energy generator. So if you require this type of projects, or if you have any idea to be implemented, so you can contact us. The contact number is given in the below description. Kindly subscribe our channel and keep updated.